me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And I don't know if you can tell, but I'm not feeling too hot. I got a sore throat, and I was like, I really don't feel like filming anything this week, but I decided to push through the pain, and it actually inspired me to make today's recipe, which is a get well tea. So if you have a sore throat like me, or you just feeling a little down, I'm hoping that this get right will get us right. So yeah, if you want to see how I made this tea, just keep watching. But you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. First thing you're going to do is get your fruit. So we'll be using apples, lemon, grapefruit, oranges, and a couple other things. So you want to cut up your apple and make sure you leave out the core. If you have one of those apple cores, that'll probably be good, but if not, you can do it like I did. And then you're just going to go ahead and quarter up your fruit. So I'm going to quarter my oranges. I'm going to do the same with my grapefruit. And in retrospect, I probably should have done the same thing with my lemon, but here we go. So now you just want to scoop basically the meat away from the rind and the peel. So there might be an easier, faster way to do this, but the point is that I got it in there. So do whatever you have to make sure that you just get the meat of the fruit. So once you've done that, go ahead and add in your sliced apples and add in the rest of your fruit. So now we're going to add in some ginger, about a tablespoon or more if you like me. I love ginger, so the more the merrier. And then I'm going to add in some minced garlic. Fresh garlic is obviously better, but if you don't have it, do what you do. And then I'm just going to go ahead and secure the lid on my Vitamix and blend until it's all nice and smooth. And now I'm going to take my tea sock. This part got a little bit messy. And I'm just going to stand it up in a glass and then pour in my fruit mixture. So depending on how much you pour in the tea sock, it will start to just kind of sift through. But then if you just go ahead and add a little squeeze to it, you'll get it all into the cup. And you can do this with a cheesecloth or a very, very fine mesh strainer, just whatever you've got. And then you're just going to put it in a small pot on medium-low until it's warm. So for me, that was a couple of minutes. And then I just took the lid off. You see the steam there. And then I just ladled some of my tea in a cup, and that was it. So be sure to let me know in the comment section below what you thought about this recipe.